The MacBook Pro A2141 motherboard. This motherboard has come to me for repair, and power is no problem is no power. See, board number is 820-01700, and we open the schematic and also found a problem. See, there is a PP bus line shorted to the ground. We connect our DC power supply. First we check with the help of our cold testing. This is a PP bus line, see, and PP bus line is shorted to the ground. It's 000, and in the board view, see, F7000 is shorted to the ground, and this is our PP bus line. See, PPV bat G3 underscore hot line, and this is shorted to the ground. For the testing purpose or removing shorting, we connect our system into our thermal camera. See, thermal camera, we have to connect ground first. After that we connect this PP bus line to the voltage line, and we inject only 1 volt for testing purpose, and we open our software. This is our thermal camera software, and we are now on the system. We connect our all. See, it's taken 0.07576 amp, and thermal camera we checking all setting sections. No shorting this side, no heating. This side we see there is something heating too much. This side of motherboard, some component is overheating. See, we have to check what is this. Maybe it's 3-volt line or SSD line. We have to check what is that. For this purpose we give into the normal vision. Maybe it's 4850 degree. See, it's 4850 degree. 2 capacitors there. Maybe one capacitor of the is shorted, and thermal vision, this line is shorted. Let's remove this both capacitor and check what is the issue, which one is shorted. After removing both capacitor, see, we remove both capacitor, but shorting still remains same. Say in thermal vision, shorting still remains same. Heating this downside IC. See, this IC is heated now. Capacitor short, there is no capacitor shorting. We have to replace this IC because this IC is shorted to the ground. See, this IC is heating too much. In normal vision, this IC is about 40 to 50 degree. Let's replace this IC first. Now we replace this tiny IC also, and replace all this capacitor also. And after replacing this IC, see, this is tiny IC, 1.8 volt IC, and after replacing this IC, see, PP bus line. Now PP bus line shorting is gone. It's taken 0.375 approximately amp, and this shorting is gone. Now we have to assemble board and check all other display and all. This case study of MacBook Pro A2141 is now complete. Thank you.